Nice.
I know now that I can't make good.
So I bought some yarn that I'm going to try knitting a sweater with it. This is the first time I'm knitting a sweater, so let's see how much of it I'm able to record and also how well it goes and how long it takes. This is the yarn I have. It's like a dark blue color. Okay, wish me luck.
I wish I could go back and put me where you stood. Nothing's really something now, the whole thing should.
So this is what I have so far. Just a few rows of like the ribbing that's going to go around my neck. I'm not 100% sure this will go over my head. Okay, it goes over my head. So this will work. It's not an unusable sweater, which is nice. Okay. And I'm going to knit a little more, but in bed now. Okay, back to it. I think what I'm making is not very different from what I'm wearing right now. It's going to have like a folded over ribbed neck, and then it's going to be like a pretty loose fuzzy sweater. I'm going to keep working on the neck, and it's going to be twice this length because then it gets folded over. Realistically, I'm not even finishing the collar before I sleep.
I stay out in bars till morning. The years I lost, I'm stealing back. I'm wanting you, but you knew that from the start. The onus on your little heart. I'm not young the way I used to be, but I had my fun with the east side girls using me. When you've been trapped in a room and you realize that the door's been right behind you all along. I was just thinking we could make plans. I'll steal the moonlight just to see it dance. All for a moment, away from our friends. But I let the roses cut out my hands, and I'm alone again. The postcards stopped coming, so I read the old ones again. And I'm terrified.
So the pattern I'm following has the option to either make the sweater like a really high turtleneck or fold the turtleneck in half and make a sort of lower folded over collar. I don't feel like making a turtleneck, so I'm doing the folding thing. and now what I'm doing is knitting over two edges together, so the top edge and the live edge. It's kind of tedious, but sort of halfway through, I would say. Like this much I have knitted together, and this much sort of still not folded over and loose. It takes a lot of concentration, so I think what I'm doing is correct, but there's no way to know for sure. But it looks fine, so it should be fine.
Don't be sad, everything changes all on my own. On this journey that should have been ours, and there's no words on a page that can teach you how to make her stay. I was just thinking we could make plans. I'll steal the moonlight just to see it dance, all for a moment away from our friends. But I let the roses cut up my hands, and I'm alone again. Yeah, I'm alone again. I'm alone again. Last we met, no one noticed. No one noticed. It's getting old, kinda like it if you'd call me all alone, 'cause I'm so over being lonely. May have lost it, a virtual connection. I have lost it, a video obsession.
Should I push you? It's not powdery at all. Oh yeah, now this time it's... Oh.
Another thing in my trip was a lot of fun meeting people from Europe, Canada, and UK. Is that everyone's fucking using the metric system.
Console me, and then I'll leave without a trace. Come on, don't leave me. It can't be that easy, babe. If you believe me, I guess I'll get on a plane, fly to your city, excited to see your face. Hold me, console me, then I'll leave without a trace. Come on, don't leave me. It can't be that easy, babe. If you believe me, I guess I'll get on a plane, fly to your city, as I fill my book. Oh, what a waste of wood. Nothing's really happened like I thought it would.
I made the sleeves longer. I also made the bottom longer by about an inch. And then I reblocked everything. I think there's some like flaws that no one but I can see. Like I feel like the sleeves are not perfectly the same length even though I did the same number of rows. But I mean, all things considered, it's nice.